Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, the ChrisVossShow.com. Here we're coming with another product. This is from ARCHEER, and you can find this on amzn.to. There's a link on the video. It's their 25-watt Bluetooth speaker A320 with super bass, a loud bamboo, wood home audio wireless speakers with subwoofer. So pretty interesting. On the website it says that it has dual 5-watt drivers. It has a 15-watt subwoofer for bass. And, of course, you can use this for just about anything where you can plug it in, a Bluetooth speaker especially. It's got Bluetooth 4.0 with up to 10 meters or 33 feet of operating range. You can use your smartphone, your iPad, tablet, whatever your Bluetooth-enabled devices are to log into this, laptop, etc. And you can also plug it in directly with a 3.5 millimeter audio cable. It's got a built-in 5200 milliamp hour lithium battery, which is pretty awesome. That's a lot of battery. And it will give you 11 hours at 50% volume. So there you get a sound test on it. That sounds really good. Just about any speaker that you put in a wood cabinet, even headphones sound really good if you put wood around them. The resonance of the wood really helps the audio just sound awesome. So be sure to recommend it. Definitely a great little speaker. Super impressed with it. And the sound is good. You can go to the Amazon link on the Chris Voss Show or search for the ARCHEER 25-watt Bluetooth speaker A320 on Amazon and tell them Chris Voss sent you.
Oh, hi. Hi, you watched that video all the way through? Good for you. You're a big boy now. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. You can click on any of the videos that surround me. And if there aren't any, you might want to check if you've been drinking. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us. See you next time. I think they've been drinking.